In my days, the stress and emphasis was on character building and public speaking. I took advantage of the activities that were organized in the school. We organized regularly the model parliament. Today, that activity is being conducted all over the country, but I feel St. Paul's was the first to organize model parliament. And when I was the minister for social welfare, I had the privilege of moving a motion in the house to take over the canteen of the school. That was run by a private person. Our students were not very happy with it. But then I took over and I ran for 5 years with great profit. And from the profit we got, we provided free lunch to poor students every day. That was a great achievement on our part as students, and that remains in the memory, that the school management stood by the parliamentary decisions and we took each session very seriously. The late Master Lorry was the Speaker of the House and he conducted the proceedings extremely well. Apart from this, the opportunities in public speaking and training, in sports, character building and excursions, these were the great activities we participated in.